Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to talk about the best side hustles in 2023. Side hustles are a great way to earn some extra money on the side while still working your regular job. They can also be a great way to pursue your passion, gain new skills, and even turn it into a full-time business. So, let's dive into the best side hustles in 2023. E-commerce. E-commerce has been growing rapidly in recent years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With the rise of online shopping and social media, starting your own e-commerce store can be a great way to make some extra money. You can sell anything from handmade goods to digital products, and the best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Online tutoring. With more and more students learning from home, there's a high demand for online tutors. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. You can teach anything from math to English, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Virtual event planning. With the rise of virtual events, there's a need for virtual event planners. If you have experience in event planning, you can offer your services as a virtual event planner. You can plan everything from virtual weddings to corporate events, and you can do it all from your computer. Pet sitting and dog walking. As more and more people return to work and travel, there's a need for pet sitters and dog walkers. If you love animals, you can offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker. You can do it all on your own time, and you can make some extra money while doing something you love. Podcasting. Podcasting has been growing in popularity in recent years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. If you have a passion for a particular subject, you can start your own podcast. You can make money through sponsorships and advertising, and you can do it all from your own home. So, there you have it, the best side hustles in 2023. Whether you're looking to make some extra money or turn it into a full-time business, these side hustles can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.